guess you could say our little pickling cucumbers here are producing. Whoa, looking over at Mercy. Look, 2 more hanging at the bottom of the bed. Crazy.
Look at her. She's gonna pick it.
What'd you do, Callie? Too busy eating cow crap that I came out of the garden without you? Yeah.
You got plenty of
Cucumbers are in. Come out. There's one. Baby there. Growing up the vines. They are all over the place. Plentiful. All the flowers. We have got hundreds of okra growing. This is a summertime favorite here at Farm Life. A little olive oil on them, and then we put some seasoning on them, and we just eat them raw. If you've never had them like that before, give it a try. These things are amazing. You will love them. We enjoy them every year.
harvesting the onion time. Clean up. Put it away. Eat it all year. What a way to go.
The neat thing is we've been eating on these things the whole time they've been growing. Scallions, eat them through the year.
Alrighty. This is just today's small little harvest. But look at this guy here. Compared to my hand. That's a big old carrot. Here we go. It's just a 10-minute harvest. Rinse these carrots off. Some grow nice and huge and big in relationship to my hand. Look how big that guy is. Some are sort of normal. Some are a little crazy like this. I love them. They taste good, nice and healthy. Grow you some.
I had to give her something. A little carrot top.
They're about to get a little crazy.